Magandang hapon po ng Friday, February 16, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Friday, February 16, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng February 16, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, February 16, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 128.5 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 47 million pesos for February 16, 2024, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Friday, February 16, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.